You've been asked to use scholarly articles in your research. First of all, what is a scholarly article? We have a helpful webpage on our site which will describe the criteria of a scholarly article. Please visit library.raritanval.edu. Under the Find menu, click on Scholarly Articles. The first thing you see is a search box for RV1 Search, which is one of our best tools for locating scholarly articles. It is important to know that RV1 Search contains much more than scholarly articles, which is why I'm going to tell you about them first. If you click on Identifying Scholarly Articles, you will see a table that breaks down specific characteristics of traditional publications. It is essentially a who, what, and why list. You should take some time and either pause this video to look at this table more in depth, or check it out after you finish this video. Scholarly articles are written by experts, researchers, scholars, and/or professors. Usually, the same group reads these types of articles. This is because they are somewhat serious looking. They're very text-heavy, usually quite lengthy, and contain vocabulary that pertains to a specific academic discipline like literature, biology, nursing, or even ancient Egyptian history. Scholarly journals contain articles that are original research, in-depth analyses on a specific subject, and critical analyses, usually looking at some issue from a new or differing perspective. The most important thing related to scholarly articles is the method by which they are published. This is called peer review. A group of the author's peers, other experts in their specific subject area, evaluates the article to determine whether or not it is worthy of being added to the body of literature in a specific discipline. In the library's databases, you will often hear and see the terms scholarly, academic, and peer-reviewed used interchangeably. Why would you need a scholarly article if you're not yet an expert in a specific field? Using scholarly articles helps you narrow down your specific research topic, and it helps you to gain insight on what experts are currently saying about this topic. These articles may help you inform your thesis. A good rule of thumb is that a popular source is something that you can usually find at the doctor's office waiting room. Popular sources are geared towards the general public. Please know that this does not mean that they are not high-quality sources. They are just not peer-reviewed. Publications like the New York Times, Time Magazine, The Economist, Psychology Today, Scientific American, and National Geographic are all examples of popular sources that are very well researched and can be trusted, but are not considered scholarly. If you need more help finding scholarly articles, please feel free to ask a librarian or send us an email.